Yep, just a quick video. I'll show you all what it's like here. You see this piece of crap? This piece of crap has never been maintained since probably it was bought by the company I work for. That seals in that hydraulic pistons, those got rebuilt with a hammer and a torch. And if you think I'm lying, I'm not. And the only reason that they got rebuilt with a hammer and a torch was because basically it let go. Now this thing, see those shivs? They were seized up, screwed up, bent, no good. The rods, bent and seized. Yet again, hammer and a torch. Now you see a tackle. Same deal with the tackle, that was ripped all apart. Everything was re-bent, re-screwed up, thrown back together on the same original cable from the 70s. Never been professionally inspected. See these straps? Half of these straps should be thrown away. This is one of the better ones. I'm not going to climb in and show you. Right there. That's one of the better ones. Okay? And then as far as wear through, a lot of them are worn through. This is actually one of the better ones. Worn through a lot more than that. On this beam, which was built to no specifications by the local shipbuilders here in Quonset. And as you see, we use a chain. And we're picking up 9,000, I believe, pound reams of rebar. Okay, give me a second, I'll jump up there and show you. And putting them on a truck. With an operator that I know, if piss tested, would come out red as Christmas morning. And yeah, nobody's licensed. This is a great job. Yep, that's working for a railroad, kids.